Welcome. In front of me is an ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, let's select the device, and you want to pull off the back cover. So I already took it off, as you can see, considering it's fairly difficult to get it off. It holds there really well, but the gist of it is you have a little tab where you can put your fingernail right here on the bottom right corner, and you just want to go around and pull off the cover. So once it's off, you want to put in the SIM card and SD card. So you have the SIM right here, and SD card right here. Now I'm gonna show how to insert. So you take the SD card and you put it, well, basically upside down, and you slide it in. Then SD card or SIM card goes with the cutout on the bottom left corner. So just kind of slide it in there all the way, and same goes with this one, just the cutout is on the right upper corner. And once you have it in there, you can flip over the device, and there's the SD card, which it's in a different language now for some reason. So yeah, both of them should be working right now just fine. And that is basically how you'd insert a SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.